Hello everyone. Welcome back to Crafter Rosalin. Today I'll show you 5 beautiful banana leaf Torana ideas for your entrance door. These eco-friendly decorations are perfect for Diwali, Dussehra, Kali Puja, Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi, Navratri, weddings, housewarming, and every festival. Let's begin. Design 1 is simple and traditional. Design 2 has a stylish leaf pattern. Design 3 gives your entrance a unique festive look. Design 4 is decorated with fresh yellow flowers. Design 5 is finished with elegant white flowers for a beautiful traditional touch. All these designs are easy, budget-friendly, and made with natural banana leaves. Which one is your favorite? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Crafter Rosalin. Press the bell icon for more DIY craft and festival decoration ideas. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting!